And you'll want to make sure that you don't have any leaks on your city water line connection, and that everything's dry down in there. And it is. You'll do the same thing with the pump when you go to hook up your pump from your water tank here. You'll check for connections or leaks at all the connections as well. And you'll want to check for leaks for your hot water tank. Make sure nothing's leaking on your in and your out. Your in is the bottom, your out is the insulated line. I don't have any leaks. And I was outside with the valve that I had opened, and I kind of flushed it out a bit, and then I closed it. So once you hook the water up, you'll turn on the faucets. You're going to bleed out all the air, so don't turn it all the way on. Just crack it open a little bit at a time. It'll fill up those air, the water lines. You know, you'll bleed all the air out. Fill it with water. Pretty cool. I just hooked up directly to the city water line, which is garden hose from the house. Okay, so we got water pressure up to both. Here's the repair. No water dripping. All right. So the repair was a success, and I'm thrilled about it. That is just awesome. Very cool.